Hello, let's work through the adductor machine at the Armoured Muscle Gym. This is a great exercise, a great machine for working the inner thighs and developing that hip stability as well. So I want to get into place for this. We'll step over the pads here. So come round, step over, sit down in the seat, and then set the weights that you want using the pins. And don't forget we have the additional extra 2.5 tab. Place your feet on the pegs. It doesn't matter which pegs, as long as your knees are on the thigh pads. You have a lever down by your right ankle. Pull that up, open your legs as wide as possible. Help yourself out with your other hand. Release the lever and then it should click into place. From there, you sit upright and then squeeze the thighs together, breathe out, slowly return to the start position, squeeze and return. Now there's not a lot of range of motion on this, so I'm going to show you another way of getting into position. It's a little bit more awkward, but it gives you a lot more range of motion to work with. So what we need to do is step out of the machine, pull the lever and open up the pads as far as they'll go, then stand on the pegs. As you sit down, squeeze the pads together, and then we can do our motion, and that gives you a lot more range and exercise to work with. If you have any questions, feel free to find any of the trainers at the Armoured Muscle Gym, and we'll be happy to help out.